and welcome to CBS Automotive. This is a short video on the Jaguar E-Pace. It's a 2018 edition model, and what we've installed on this brand new car is aftermarket heated seats. So as you can see, we've got a lovely leather interior here, and this car hasn't got out to the customer yet. So what we've got here is the switch that we've located. We've got off, we've got a low level on a green light, and then full heat on red. All of this installed, so retaining all functionality of seats. And the main thing is that you can't see anything. So both front seats have been carried out in exactly the same way. All our installers are FITAS approved engineers, and that is the switch there. So a really discreet install, all carried out within one day. For more details on this system and how we can upgrade your Jaguar E-Pace, please do give us a call. Contact number is 01223 563030. I'll pop all the links below so you can take a look at those too. Thank you very much. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Cheers.